In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others in 3 easy ways. Whether you're looking to collaborate on event planning, share your availability, or invite people to specific events, Google Calendar offers streamlined and effective sharing options to meet your needs. Let's dive into each method, starting with the first one, which is tailored for precise control over calendar access. Begin by opening Google Calendar. Once you have your calendar open, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side. Hover over the calendar you'd like to share, and you'll see a series of options appear. There should be a More Options symbol, generally resembling 3 vertical dots. Click on this and then select Settings and Sharing. This brings you to a page where you can manage who can see your calendar. Under the section labeled Share with Specific People or Groups, click Add People in Groups. Here, you can input the email addresses of those you wish to share your calendar with. After entering their email addresses, you'll see different permission levels available. You can allow them to see only your free or busy status, grant them access to see all your event details, enable them to make changes to events, or even allow them to manage sharing and permissions. Once you decide on the permissions, click Send. The chosen recipients will receive an invitation via email, providing them with access to your calendar. This method is terrific if you want specific control over who can view and edit your events. The second method is perfect for sharing event information with a wide audience like on a website. First, navigate to your calendar's settings and sharing options. Scroll down to Access Permissions for Events, and there you'll find the option to make your calendar public. Keep in mind that by making your calendar public, anyone who has the link will be able to view it, so be prudent with your privacy settings. You can choose to only show when you're free or busy without revealing the event details, which is a great feature if you want to maintain some confidentiality. Once you've set everything up, you can copy the public URL or the embed code and share this via email, on your website, or even on social media platforms. This is ideal for when you have a schedule or availability you wish to publicize, such as classes, webinars, or office hours. Finally, the third method is for sending a one-time event invite. This is best if you're inviting individuals to a specific meeting or appointment without wanting to share your entire calendar. Open Google Calendar and click on the event you wish to share. Select Edit, then in the Add Guest box, type the email addresses of those you want to invite. They'll get an email with all the event details and options to RSVP as yes, no, or maybe. You'll also be able to view their responses in the event details, making tracking who's attending a breeze. This approach is perfect for single events or meetings that don't require full calendar visibility. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to share your Google Calendar with others, tailored to different levels of collaboration and visibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.